Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Lookfantastic. Lookfantastic, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. There are different prices based on whether you do a rolling contract where you can just cancel anytime. I think it's £15 a month then, or if you do like a 3, 6 or 12 months, it will get slightly less each time, so you end up paying less overall, but you are tied in for the contract. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen for you guys now, where you can get some money off a subscription. I am sent this box very kindly by Lookfantastic in PR, which is amazing of them, but I have purchased it for myself previously and I would again. So let's get in. Oh, it's pretty. Let me get it out. This is the box. Really pretty this month. I love that colour. Sucker for an orange. I love orange. So let's get in. So the quote this month, a quote on the inside of the box is, "Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire." Fuck yeah, do it. Do what makes you happy. Ooh, December sneak peek. I never remember sneak peeks, so I'm trying really hard to do them on all my videos now. Is an Avon, and it is a Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch, worth £98. So that is next month's little doodad. We're back in the thick of autumn with our Firecracker edition beauty box, and it's here to help you embrace the colder evenings and have some cozy nights in, which is all we're allowed to do at the moment. Your November box has been curated with 6 beauty products to help you indulge your senses. In this month's beauty box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Starskin's CEO, as well as the features from Philip Kingsley and Mina. So that's a little bit here. The book tells you what we've got, but I want to open the box first and have a look. So it's like this. More of the orange. Okay, so this is the box. Lookfantastic tends to be more skincare heavy than other beauty boxes. I'm a skincare whore, if you didn't know that. That is for a video that's going to be sorted out, but yeah, I love skincare. So just be aware of that. First thing I've got is a micellar water with Arctic cotton, fragrance free. Oh, I like that. Polar Ice Pure. I love Polar's packaging, it's always really pretty. So this is a micellar water. Harnessing the power of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes the most stubborn makeup by bringing moisture and hydration to the skin without overdrying or bringing uncomfortable tightness. So you just wipe it over your eyes or your face with a cotton pad. I will give that a go tonight and see how it performs, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys. That is, have we got a price? I thought they started putting prices on it, but they haven't. I'll put the price on the screen if I can find it. But I like the fact it's fragrance free. I'm not a massive fan of, like, especially things like micellar waters when they're like full on like floral fragrances. I just think it's horrid. But that's really nice. Next, I knew this was No Bay because it's got a wooden lid, which I love. This is Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream, Aloe Vera Green Tea, Ginkgo Biloba. I'm just saying really weird words now. Raspberry, jojoba oil, sweet almond and grapeseed oil. No Bay always has pretty packaging as well, and I love the little wooden lids. I think it's really cute. So this is a lightweight face cream, provides intense moisture without leaving you feeling greasy, formulated with green tea, aloe and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types, massaged onto gently cleansed skin. I'll have a go. It's got quite a lot of oil in it, so I'm not entirely sure if my skin will like it or not, but I'll have a go. It is 98.78% natural. No, yeah. Basically 98% natural origin of ingredients, so that's nice. Next we've got something Philip Kingsley. This is a teeny tiny bottle. A frizz fighting gloss. Right, so you either get the frizz fighting gloss, like what I've got, or you get a shampoo and conditioner, which is nice. I do appreciate that. I haven't got them, I've got the gloss, but I do like it when you get a in a beauty box or something, if you get like a shampoo and a conditioner of the same brand, because you generally need to use them together to get the best out of both of them, if that makes sense. So that is what you'll get. You either get this one or samples of the shampoo and conditioner. These Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft and shiny. The Pure Colour Gloss is a conditioning heat protectant that provides colour vibrancy, whilst the bodybuilding duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting bounce. So this, you put a small amount through towel dried hair, focusing on the end style as required, and the other is just shampoo and conditioner, which we know how to use. Next, I've got This Works, and it is the Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, and you either get this one or you get the In Transit Camera Close-Up, and I'm really pleased that I got this one because I'm literally the only person I know that doesn't like the In Transit Camera Close-Up, which is a mask, a moisturiser and a primer. I don't know why my skin hates it, but literally everyone else I've ever met or talked about loves it. So I'll give this a go. Feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. This Perfect Legs Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum, enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow. Let's have a look. Get this little bit off. It is tinted. I don't know why I sounded so surprised at that, because it says it was. See, I think if I sheared that out a bit more, what do you smell of? But yeah, you can see it's like, it is quite a nice tint, and I'm sure if it's gone though, that's like rubbed in really nicely, and that has, you can see that has left a tint on my skin, but I am very pale, so I'm not sure how, if you're like any more, slightly more tanned than I am, I'm not sure how that would be on deeper skin tones, whether you just get like, you can see it's got a nice sheen to it, so you might just get a nice sheen rather than a tint. We'll see. Next I've got, oh my god, this colour is beautiful. It's the nail varnish. I got all excited then. Look at that colour. It's Nails Ink. Is it Nails Ink? I've said Nails Ink. It is. Be yourself, be your ink credible self with Nails Ink. That is a gorgeous autumn orange fire colour. All fired up nail varnish. Fueled by charcoal, this Nails Ink polish helps promote the health of your nails and protects against environmental aggressors. This gorgeous shade is perfect ahead of the festive season and brings an enviable shine to nails. I'm going to paint my nails with this in a minute and see what it's like. I will leave a comment or in the description box as to how long it's on before it chips as well, because I always like to know that. And then the last thing in here is Lord & Berry, and if you've been here before, you know that I don't like Lord & Berry. Not that I don't like Lord & Berry, that's not what I mean. I mean, you only get them in beauty boxes. I genuinely do not know anyone ever that has actually been and purchased anything by Lord & Berry. So, yeah. So you get, it's a line shade glam eye pencil in bronze gold. This Lord & Berry pencil is comfortable in the eye, intense pigment, incredibly long lasting. It's a gold bronze shade that makes your eyes pop. So I'm sure it's lovely. I just get I don't know, my heart always drops a little bit when I see Lord & Berry, because I've probably got like 30 of these and I've never purchased one. It's a pretty colour. Can you smudge it? Can you smudge it out? Yeah, it smudges quite nicely. So you could like do it along your top lid and then smudge it out for a bit of a smoky eye look. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just, you know what I mean, it's just something that you only get these in beauty boxes. No one ever buys them. If you have ever purchased anything from Lord & Berry, prove me wrong, comment down below. I would love that. But yeah, that was the box for November. I think it's really lovely. I am super excited. I'm gonna use this and this, and I'm gonna use these tonight in a little pamper session, and see how they are. I'm gonna put this on now because I've already had my shower tonight, so I'll put it on and then I'll see how long it lasts, and like if it lasts till tomorrow. Are you cruelty free? We might not be using you. I am trying to go completely cruelty free with all my makeup stuff, so I will hopefully, if I remember to edit it in, put on the screen as I go through the items if they are cruelty free or not. But yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.